You are confused that whether you should go for a college or a university in Canada. And you know what? This is one thing that a lot of people I've seen are confused about. I was also confused when I had to take this decision. Well, I'm gonna make your decision making process really easy with this video. So if you want to compare or make a decision between choosing a college or university to study in Canada, this is the video on the Check, this is Johnny Hans, and I am going to talk about whether you should choose a university or a college in Canada. Well, you can actually make decision on your own after watching this video. And if this is the first time you're watching this video on this YouTube channel, please consider subscribing this YouTube channel and hit bell button just to make sure you do not miss any update from us. If you want to be a student in Canada or you're already a student in Canada, this can help you to make decisions. And very regularly we keep bringing content on this YouTube channel. And without taking much of your time, let me just start with the comparison. We'll talk about, first of all, tuition fee. So if you're an international student coming to Canada from any part of the world, most of the time, most of the universities and colleges are accepting international students. And Canada is one of the top destinations for international students to study. The reason being amazing quality of life, and students are eligible for postgraduate work permit after finishing off the study in most of the institutions. And another great factor is Canada immigration is in love with international students. So there are tons of programs which can help you to move from your temporary residence to a permanent residence. So let's talk about the difference. First of all, if you are looking to study in a college, your tuition fee will range anywhere between 20,000 Canadian dollars to 30,000 Canadian dollars. It on the high side, at the max, it can go up to 30 to 35, not more than that. In most of the colleges, the programs have comparable cost. And if you are going on a university side, the cost can go anywhere between 40 to 60,000 easily. In some cases, in some universities like University of Toronto, McGill, Concordia, John Molson School of Business, the cost of MBA can go up to 70 to 80,000 as well. It depends upon the seats availability or the cost that university is putting, especially for international student. So that's how exactly expensive it may get. However, there are some universities which are offering affordable programs like University of Regina, or if you want to go in University of British Columbia, they are offering MBA in total 35,000. That means $17,500 per year you have to pay, and you can earn your Canadian MBA degree, after which you will be eligible for a 3-year of postgraduate work permit as well. Best thing is that if you have a good IELTS score or a good percentage, that means scoring from your previous degree or in your home country, you can even avail up to $10,000 of scholarship. And if you're an MBA student, if you're a bachelor student, the scholarship can go up to $20,000 as well. So do not miss on that. And if you want to take admission, it's a very simple process. You can contact our team as well. It's apply@checkcheckservices.com. All the information is given in the description. Now, the second point, if we talk about, is that the process of taking admission. That means what is the duration or the time frame it takes for you to take admission. So let's talk about, first of all, colleges. In colleges, it may take anywhere between 2 to 3 weeks. If you want to go to Seneca, if you want to go to Loyalist College, if you want to study in Centennial College, George Brown College, you want to study in Montreal, Access Vocational College is there, Lester B. Pearson College is there, Vanier College is there. There are so many options for you. And the process, again, as I said, it takes 2 to 3 weeks. However, if you're going to a university, it might take anywhere between 2 to 3 months, depend upon which program are you applying for, which kind of stream are you looking at, which intake are you looking at, and how high is the demand in that sector. So that also makes a difference if you're going to university, and that's why sometimes it takes 2 to 3 months easily in the process of applying for university. And if we talk about the process itself, sometimes you need more references. So references are needed in university side, but in college side, there is no reference needed most of the time in most of the programs. Now, if we talk about some other differences, then the third thing that comes to my mind, which is definitely about the experiences or the feeling. So if we talk about in terms of experience, how you feel mostly at the university, that means it is definitely there are higher points on the university side, because as an international student you spend at least 4 to 5 days going to university, sometimes 6 days as well. There are a lot of projects that you do, there's a lot of teamwork that needs to be done, and you end up making amazing friendships as well, which really makes you feel that you are studying in Canada. But if you are struggling a little bit with the finances, I think college can be a good option too for you, because in college you have to go only 3 to 4 days. And in fact, if I tell you, in some colleges in Montreal, you may be able to finish off your course with the or the program with the 2 days of classes as well, so that rest of the 5 days you can learn French, you can go to you can do your part-time job, or you can do your unpaid internships or whatever. There are so many things that you can do if you're studying in college, or be it in Montreal, Vancouver, Toronto. There are so many colleges that you have access to, and you can choose the right program wherein exactly you want to learn. The other aspect in the which is an important difference, it is in terms of scholarships. Let's talk about the scholarships. Like, universities have definitely way more scholarships available for international students as compared to college. Just let's talk about the PhD programs in university, or if we talk about master's program in university. A lot of universities have special programs in which you can contact the professors, and if they need the research worker or an assistant in the university who's a student, you can actually earn your degree at no cost. So university is going to handle all the cost for you, and on top of that you also get paid. But those opportunities are very hard to find, but definitely I'm not denying the fact they are available. They're definitely available. You have to call and find out those opportunities if you can genuinely crack. Do not hesitate to like this video, share this video on your YouTube, share this video on your social media network, and how exactly you find our content. If there's any feedback, good, bad, anything, man, feel free to just go ahead and leave it in the comment section, and we will try to improve the content. We'll make sure we consistently create content for you. Now let's talk about the other point, which is work opportunities related. A lot of people have this misconception that if they would study in a university, they would have very high paying job or great chances of university, company would come to university and pick you up. Nothing like that, dude. Let's welcome to 2021 and be practical about it, that you have to definitely work your ass off if you really want to be somewhere. So yes, university is going to help you in a big way. However, you have to be smart enough to crack a good job, and you have to build up your contacts, you have to build up your LinkedIn, you have to make efforts to make sure you get a right type of job. So that's what happens if you're choosing a university as well. And if you talk about college, yes, obviously after working in college, it is not super great quickly for you to get job. But I have seen a lot of my friends, like hundreds of my friends that I know because of YouTube, those who have come in colleges, and after finishing the college they're working at good jobs as well. It really depends how exactly you approach. It depends upon your positive mental attitude. It depends what you have learned. It depends what kind of context you're building. And if you're building all that network, the rapport, the understanding how to approach the companies, even while studying in a college, you can land up in a very good job. There's nothing that's holding you back. So it really depends how you approach towards it. So this is the brief idea about what's in colleges, what's exactly is available in universities. I hope you liked today's video, and if you want to watch our content in Hindi, we have our Hindi channel, that's Johnny Hans Canada. Do not hesitate watching our Hindi content on that. On that note, this is me, Johnny Hans, signing off for the day. You have a good day. Check.